LEATOP Industries is a professional enterprise engaged in the manufacture of cabinet hardware machines, such as telescopic slides and cabinet hinges machines. Our business was established in 2010, and after years of development, we have formed a strong production camp for slides and hinge machines. Our production base is located in Shunde District, Foshan City, and we have established an international business sales and operation center in Guangzhou. Our company's products include drawer slide assembly machines, tandem box under-mount slide assembly machines, slides roll forming machines, hinge molds and cabinet hinge assembly machines, etc. We have a professional technical research and development teams aiming to provide with high quality and stable machines, as well as provide customers with good on-site debugging and after-sales service. Now, we are creating a one-stop service for our customers. At present, our company has obtained a number of technical patents issued by the state. Our machines are not only popular in China, but also in India, Turkey, Brazil, Egypt, Pakistan, and Malaysia and other countries. Our goal is to provide customers with first-class machines. Our vision is to provide customers with a one-stop service.